It be money.
Hey. Hold on. What'd he say?
Top notch shit. I know I'm rapping.
What's that on my line?
Yeah.
It be money, nigga. Remember, man.
Hold on.
What'd he say?
Yeah.
What's that? What be on my line? It be money, nigga. Remember Morton Street, granny house. It was jumping, nigga. Got the Rick and Morty green shit. Have 'em slumping, nigga. Yeah, they fucking with it. Nah, you can't fuck with me. If you need about 8 lines, I need a $150. Nero had 'em coming back to back, fucking up the city. Yeah, and I'm back with them packs. Come and fuck with me. Young nigga back running laps, nigga real rich. Nero broke some doors open. Real road runner, bitch. I had them pros coming. No, I never stole nothing. Bro, act like he knows something. Bitch, I got my phone jumping. Everybody wants something. Nah, y'all can't hold nothing. Knowing Nero been thuggin', cold hearted, cold hustle. Gen 5 Glock tuck, wishing a nigga hit on something. If a nigga on me, he paying something. Nah, I ain't sparing nothing. It's so silent, I'm hitting something. I ain't tryna hear nothing. I ain't got a cap, I'm speaking facts. Yeah, that's why they don't like me. Keep it real, yeah. Put it in a rap, then I done it, yeah. Hey, these niggas cap, they ain't done it yet. You ain't lose everything, you ain't run it yet. You ain't go for it, you ain't push the grind, yeah. You ain't stay up on that grind, you waste that time, man. And you wonder why you ain't last, it ain't my time, man. Hey, what time I'm on? Yeah, like what time I'm on. Getting it through these phones, gotta turn up your phone. Money on my line, special dial tone. Hey, what's that? Special dial tone. My line, what's that? Money on my line, special dial tone.